So hello guys, today's episode, second episode for a Java, or some people complained me pronouncing it wrong, so Java, Java aka Cherry. Today's jobs will be dismantling. Well, actually I already started it and I forgot about filming. So today we dismantling it completely to the bits, and then I'll show you the engine is taken apart already. Show you a bit more on that. So next frame I'll show you some engine bits. As it's supposed to be, very dirty garage. So already washed a lot. This cylinder head already been washed. Barrel, that's the old bearings. Some of them very crunchy, if you can hear. So that's how it should sound, I think. And that's the crankshaft bearings. So some parts already washed, they had like gunk, loads of gunk, but everything is sprayed. As you can see, everything's dirty because I keep spraying with shit. But these parts washed and sprayed something with something similar like WD-40, just to prevent it rusting. And here, you see this? So from here all the way to here, it looked exactly the same as this. So you can see already took some dirt out before I get everything ready for a sandblasting. Also, that's the remaining parts. So these are very bad condition. These, I mean, dirty. They will need soaking in that stuff and maybe power washing or something. This part might need replacing. Not sure yet, because no, actually this side is alright. The other side doesn't shut properly, so I might need to buy one. Exhausts, don't know, will I re-chrome or just get new ones, because new ones something like 180 euros or pounds. The headers as well, they're in a poor condition. Seat, these parts are good. So, but yeah, need to go back now to the frame. I actually don't even know what I'm gonna do. Should I restore this fuel tank, or I got another fuel tank but not for this module, slightly different shape. So let's put it all this on a time lapse and see how it goes. At least stripping down. Took a few bits off, so the pile of the parts getting bigger and bigger. Let's carry on taking. I think I can take the wheel off. Well, no. Let's do this. Let's strip this completely today, and then for tonight we can start packing all up. as you've seen in a time lapses, bike was stripped, so parts here, some parts soaking here, more parts, more oil, wheels, wheel, engine bits. So basically I've got shit everywhere. So now I need to start boxing up, carry on cleaning all this gunk before all this can be taken to sandblasting. But I'm stuck with this, so I got a swing arm still in the frame. Can't figure out how to press that out. I mean, I've been bashing it and bashing it and bashing it. Nothing seems to come out, so I need to clean it a bit more so I can see what is going on. So there's nothing in here, and I can't see any clips in here, but again, I need to clean it up, tidy up and see how it goes. So another second day of the project ends now. See you next time.